I was born on May 7, 1979 in Medellin, Antioquia. Remember they at 8 years I loved to play my sister Isabel and Marina. In the cottage yard of our house, my playing with a dog also German Shepherd was named Laika. She lived with us until 1989 until they was 12 years old. Among my other days, I remember day I licked my day I celebrate my birthday and to arrival of baby Jesus. My day tells me they among my favorite food always asking they to give my beans and milk cake. Although he had many two balls, car, soldier, among others. My favorite toy was always a wooden horse with wheels they my day. Gave my one December 12 for 1879 and wish rather every day. With these are some of fine memories I have in my childhood.